Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, lane departure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.